Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the font family and only the weights you will actually use, because fewer weights mean faster pages. Once chosen, copy the Google Fonts link or add import snippet. This injects the font CSS into your site. You add it to your HTML head or main stylesheet import area. Make sure to select the correct subset for languages. This first step establishes the font source, so your browser can download the files when you reference the family in CSS. Next, declare the font family in your CSS where it makes sense. Root or body works well for a global style. You write font family, your font, System UI, Apple System, Sego UI, sans serif, and set font weight for headings and body. Also include font display. Swap in the imported face so text remains visible while fonts load. These choices balance aesthetics and performance, and they prevent invisible text while the custom font downloads. Finally, optimize and verify. Add a pre-connect to fonts, gstatic, COM, and a DNS prefetch to speed requests and reduce weights to cut kilobytes. Once done, test in the browser. Inspect the network tab and filter by font to confirm files load. If the font does not appear, make sure the family name matches exactly in CSS and that your link or import is present in the head. One key tip: clear caches or use hard reload to rule out cached assets causing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.